Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome back. Today, sadly, we are not able to flip this house in 30 days like we thought. We are going to take a look at all the progress that has been made at the Orange Park house. So unfortunately, we did not make our 30-day window, but take a look at all the things we got to accomplish. My name is Victoria. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My husband Scott and I decided to buy a house to flip. It's our first flip ever. It's very exciting, but we've actually gotten very far. This is the third week that we've been really working hard on this house. You will see we have already painted the interior, at least the flat wall surfaces. We have worked really hard in the yard to clean that up because it is a hot mess. The flooring got laid until we ran out of flooring and then we had to order more. Today, my goal is to finish the curb appeal. Not completely, but you'll be amazed at how far paint can go. The once black shutters are now blue. I'm about to paint the front door. Kids, you're gonna meet all of our children and our dear friends who came from South Carolina just to help us lay the flooring and work hard in the yard. It is so hot in Florida in August. Oh my word, it's not fun, but it is what it is. It has to be done. We still have a lot of big things to complete. You'll see my father and Scott working hard in Green Cove Springs in my dad's shop because we're building the kitchen ourselves. So we did get some of the kitchen cabinets set, which is amazing, so that the countertop people can come in behind us. While we are doing everything ourselves in this house, we are not capable, we don't have the equipment to actually cut stone and install stone countertops. So I'm super excited to be able to choose those very soon. All the finishings have been picked, but there's just a lot of work to do. And really, it's only our little family that's working on this. And my husband, Scott, is really doing the bulk of the heavy lifting with this project. On top of the fact that we own Free Spirit Designs, a local design company in Ponte Vedra, Jacksonville, St. Augustine area. So if you're a local friend and you need help, we would love to help you in your home. But today we want to invite you into our home in Orange Park, where we are going to have another week of the progress of the Orange Park house that we're going to flip. I am in the Cove today with Scott, and I know you guys have been here with me before. We love being at my parents' house. The guys are working for Orange Park, building kitchen cabinets. So I wanted to go see how they're doing with the progress. Today is day one. And Dad was going to do it on his own, but he has to have major surgery, open heart surgery, you guys. So anyway, Dad asked Scott to come help him. So even though we wanted to finish Orange Park in 30 days, that's not happening now because Scott is likely gonna have to build the kitchen as well, which means he's here in Green Cove instead of in Orange Park. And we also decided we wanted new windows. Our realtor was like, you guys really need to get windows if you can. And we're like, it's such a big expense. But we got a couple quotes that were like $3,000 difference. So we were happy with the lower quote, of course. And that takes 30 days just to get the windows. So we're still gonna be able to get it on the market in August, which is awesome. But anyway, we're happy you're here, and here's continued progress in Green Cove. His earplugs in. Maple. This is what we build cabinets out of. And he must be doing the rails and stiles right now. Guilty having this yummy rum cocktail. Mom and I, we did do some laps in the pool, so we did do some exercise while the guys are sweating in the shop. There's really not much we can do to help, but I wanted to go check and see where they are in the progress. These are life considered family, and they have made the trek from South Carolina to help us in the Orange Park house this weekend. The goal this weekend, we're going to work in the yard. We're also going to get some flooring installed, which is very exciting. Guys, I could cry. We just opened the flooring. It's the wrong color. It's the wrong floor. Remember how I did a poll on Facebook and with my subscribers, I'm like, which one should we go with, the darker or the lighter? Everybody chose light for the most part. I personally liked the darker because it looked richer, but listen, I want to sell this. I want to sell this house. So I was like, let me get lots of opinions, right? So we decided to order the light wood. There was a disconnect in the photographs that were taken. It was like the front of the color, which said champagne, but the back of the board said Grand Marius with a SKU number. So even though we emailed Grand Marius with the SKU and champagne, I didn't get involved. I have a great team. Like the wrong thing got ordered and it wasn't caught. It sucks. So I'm feeling really discouraged right now. It is what it is. Like, you see our friends came from South Carolina. We're not just going to not work because the wrong floor came. We're going to install the wrong floor. I don't know. Hopefully whoever wants the house loves them. Again, the upside is that they look a lot more luxe in my opinion. I mean, they're vinyl flooring. But I'm just super sad because I was like thankful that everyone voted and yeah. Guys, this is the last of the floor to be torn up in the house. Yay! As you saw, new floors are already going in, but we decided in the bathroom, we're going to put the laminate in this bath because it's only a half. A whole bath, we're going to do tile. And Scott is going underneath all the doorways first. So those are the hard parts. James looks like he's killing it in there. My heart is happy. I'm happy about the flooring now. Just took me a minute. How's it going, James?
It's good.
Yeah?
Slowly but surely.
I'm coming to see what you're doing.
Come check it out. Yeah, we're down the hall.
Day 1 of 4 so far. 1 room done. The hallway getting done. Moving right into another room. There's Scotty. He's still trying to get the tile out of the windows. Let's go see how he's doing. What smells like fire?
That wood that I just peeled out of his old blade.
Oh.
Right there, smell it?
I smell it. That's why I was like, what is this? Guys, look at this. Exciting things happening. Dad and Scott, as you saw, they were in the Cove building cabinets. And now here are the lower boxes. They, of course, have to be refinished. Are these upper boxes already? Wow. And then over here are going to be pantry cabinet with shelves and floating shelves. So exciting. Why did we decide to build the kitchen, babe?
Save a lot of money. It's a lot of work, but it saved us a lot of upfront costs.
Yeah. The before kitchen. Every realtor will tell you the kitchen is the heart of the home and it is what sells homes. We decided to keep the tile floor, but areas of not compromising are making the kitchen more functional. I'm so overwhelmed. Ugh, you guys. I'm not a landscaper. I did work for one summer when I was younger, but it's so much and we really don't have the proper tools. Like we found this lawnmower in the shed and it's battery operated, which seems terrible. We found some shovels and rakes. I don't know, you guys. I'm just feeling a little weary today. We just got back from market in Atlanta, which is like that hurts your brain and physical body. This just is physical work. So, ew, there's really big frogs. This little plastic shed needs to go. Sorry guys, overwhelmed. I mean, it has so much potential and the trees are stunning. It's just beautiful, but it's just so overgrown and a hot mess. So these two are gonna give us some muscle. Demolition of the plastic shed. Oh my gosh. No.
You got a snake. I was running into a snake. Not into it.
Does the mower work?
Yeah.
Nice. I'm gonna go see what Sean Murphy assigned me. He is the man in charge. Guys, look, it already looks better over here.
Hey.
Hey, Sean. How's it going?
Pretty good.
Is it better or worse than you expected?
Pretty even.
All right, good.
It's not too bad. The heat doesn't make it any
I
better.
know.
But
Would you like some water? I have cold water.
I think I'll be good for now. Once I finish the weed eating, I'll get some water.
You'll take a break. All right, man. We're making great headway though. The yard is looking better. And I just saw Sean carrying a big dead tree. Let's go see what the kids are doing. Oh yeah, here it is. This is the tree that they took out. And on the other side of the house, we had no idea there was a walkway. That's how much it's overgrown. Signs of a flower bed and a walkway that we had no idea even existed until you start cleaning up. How far one can of paint can go for the shutters and front door, just giving them a fresh little facelift with a beautiful blue. I really actually love this front door. It was a lot of fun. It has been so hot in Florida, so that part has not been very fun, but we definitely have got a ton accomplished. Thank you guys for hanging out today. I hope it was fun for you to see all the things that got accomplished at the Orange Park house. So for the next steps, we are looking at finishing the dining room floor. Since we didn't order enough floor, we're going to be installing the dining room floor. We also need to purchase and paint all the baseboards in the common areas. The bathrooms are going to get completely gutted, at least, well, that's not true. The one bathroom, we're keeping the tub and tile to save on costs, but you will see the toilets and vanities go bye-bye, and we will be bringing new beautiful ones in. We're also going to tile in that hall bathroom. There's new lighting still to be hung and ceiling fans, and the new windows will be coming on our next progress, which is very exciting. The new windows will make huge impact. That was a debate for us because of the cost, but we just were like, how can we redo an entire house and leave the old junky windows? So we're really excited. I feel like the next time you guys come back and see the Orange Park progress, we're gonna be really at a great place of being almost finished, except for the kitchen. So yay for that. Again, we're so happy you're here today. I hope you would consider subscribing and coming back every single week. We love you so much. Have an amazing weekend.